1/16 ounces. Bottle of Ginseng Restorative Biotin Shampoo. Gently cleanses while restoring strength and moisture to weak, damaged hair. Crafted with a wholesome blend of biotin, vitamin B5 and ginseng and lavender extracts. A formula inspired by nature's best, free from parabens, sulfates, phthalate, petrolatum and artificial colors. Always cruelty-free, never tested on animals. Ginseng Restorative Biotin Shampoo gently cleanses while restoring strength and moisture to weak, damaged hair. Nutrient-rich biotin and pro-vitamin B5 help thicken the hair and boost its elasticity, and botanicals such as ginseng and lavender extracts repair split ends and prevent future damage. Our shampoo is made with safe, gentler and effective ingredients and contains no parabens, sulfates, phthalate, petrolatum or artificial colors. It is also not tested on animals. The Ginseng brand believes in the power of nature's ingredients to improve everyday wellness. We were pioneers of safer, wholesome personal care, and we continue to harness the Earth's bounty of botanicals and essentials for blends that refresh and restore. Wellness is our second nature, and it has been since 1959. Top reviews from the United States. It's a great moisturizer. It's a great product. I love it so much. Use all the time. My hair looks much better, it grows faster and it becomes stranger. The best shampoo ever.